Unlocking the secrets of cat skin and coat health. What should a healthy cat's body look like? What determines a cat's coat? How do I know if my cat has a healthy coat? How can I improve my cat's skin and coat? These types of questions are on the minds of all cat owners. We will answer these questions in this video. Welcome back to our channel, feline enthusiasts. Today, we're delving into the fascinating world of cat grooming to unravel the secrets behind maintaining optimal skin and coat health for our beloved feline friends. Whether you're a seasoned cat owner or a new cat parent, understanding the intricacies of cat skin and coat care is essential for ensuring your furball stays happy and healthy. In this video, we'll explore key tips and insights to make grooming a breeze, promoting a glossy coat and radiant skin. Choosing the right grooming tools. To kick things off, let's discuss the importance of selecting the right grooming tools. A quality brush designed for your cat's specific coat type can make a world of difference. For short-haired cats, a fine-toothed comb may suffice, while long-haired cats might benefit from a slicker brush. Proper tools not only remove loose fur and prevent matting but also stimulate blood flow, promoting healthier skin. Establishing a grooming routine. Consistency is key when it comes to cat grooming. Establishing a regular routine helps your cat become accustomed to the process, making it a stress-free experience for both of you. Start with short sessions and gradually increase the duration as your cat becomes more comfortable. This not only maintains their skin and coat health but also fosters a strong bond between you and your furry companion. The role of nutrition. A healthy coat starts from within, and nutrition plays a crucial role. Ensure your cat's diet is rich in essential fatty acids, such as omega-3 and omega-6, which contribute to a shiny coat and supple skin. High-quality cat food, possibly supplemented with omega-rich treats, can significantly enhance the overall well-being of your feline friend. Detecting skin issues early. Regular grooming provides an excellent opportunity to inspect your cat's skin for any abnormalities. Look out for signs of irritation, redness, or lumps. Detecting issues early allows for prompt veterinary attention, preventing potential skin problems from escalating. The power of hydration. Hydration is often underestimated in maintaining a cat's skin and coat health. Ensure your cat has access to fresh, clean water at all times. Hydrated skin is more elastic and less prone to dryness, promoting a glossy and healthy-looking coat. Understanding the intricacies of cat grooming is pivotal for ensuring your feline companion's skin and coat radiate health and vitality. By choosing the right tools, establishing a consistent grooming routine, prioritizing nutrition, detecting skin issues early, and promoting hydration, you're well on your way to being a pro at cat grooming. Thanks for tuning in, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more insightful content on all things feline. Until next time, happy grooming!